It's nighttime, and that is what it looks like in the evening hours of the backyard. We have a blue LED indicator showing that it's recording in the front and the backyard by swiping, and there I am. This is the RB-H2Q1 two-camera system. It can run up to 4 cameras. It can run the cameras separately or has up to 4 cameras through the hub. Internal 32 gig of storage with an additional TF card slot on the bottom. The reset, the LAN, the power, the light indicator, the speaker, and the indicator of cameras. It is IP66 rated, can be put indoors and outdoors and hooked up to a power source and ran your leads to lock down and plug into the area, USB-C. It has a reset, a power, and an external SD-XC card slot and a speaker. It has a solar panel, the LEDs, the PIR sensor, and the camera. You get the hardware, you get the templates, and you get a sticker to put in your window or anywhere in the premises. You have the power cable, the LAN cable, and the charging cables. 24/7, 365 recording with an option for storage. We'll do our best to set up with the phone and phone only, with the hub by plugging in. No on and off, but just the cable. Turning on the unit is hitting the power button of each unit. 5-second hold. Open up the phone, open up the app, hit the plus, scan QR code, start. Lift the phone to the QR sticker, scanned. We have an option of your network cable connection or Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5G. Connecting.
Wireless setting, please wait. Wireless connection is successful.
We are connecting and we need to put a name. Reblumm. Rebullum. Connect. We could share to the family anywhere in the smartphone. We are now connected with the hub. We are connected with the top camera only. We have here is the 4 dashes for 2 cameras, and we need to add in this camera. We can hit the plus, move the device within a meter, press and hold the prompt button, the reset. We hear a prompt, next.
Start pairing. Please wait the last prompt to complete. Wireless settings, please wait. Channel 1 wireless connection is successful. Pairing completed. 2 cameras.
Confirm, add device, or done. Open up the 2, and now we have 2 cameras hooked up. We have 3 dashes that opens up to the camera area. We have the settings, as you can see, of the unit. Clicking on the play opens up to the 2 cameras. We can have 1, 2, 3, or 4 cameras shown. If we hit the cog gear, motion detection, push, recording, image, storage, advanced settings about the camera, and to delete off. The motion detections, you can set an area, on-screen detections, alarm settings, and light. Recording the high definition to low definition, and storage, in-house, online, push notification. We have here is SD or UHD, high quality audio. Take a picture, open up to your camera's phone, take a video, enlarge the screen. And everything again is on the bottom and have a siren that will go off of the 2 cameras. that's actually showing this way. And then you could have a live feed scroll 24, 365, 7 days a week of what's in the camera. We show one camera at this given time. We could pinch in, zoom in. It's time to take the cameras and set them up within the range of the hub. The hub must be in the range of your router, so you can extend this as far away as the hub allows from the router, as you have wireless connections. It is IP65 rated. Put it outside, hang up, and that's what we're going to go do. Pick a spot to hang your camera, remove old equipment, hang up and lock down, and place up into the sun, charging and running. If you wanted to plug in the cable, we have an optional cable plugged into an extended solar panel and other types of security cameras. Internal 32 gig of storage for the unit and extendable SD cards. You can scroll back live feed of the camera. We're going to let the camera run for a number of days and scroll back and see what the action is. This is where I am. We'll see what night and day looks like. This is what we have hooked up, looking out front. So we're all hooked up. We got the front, the back, and we want to see what the back looks like. We could zoom in and go down and scroll over. And the same thing with the front. We could zoom in and go over within the frame of the camera. We'll come back and we'll see what we have in security. Low light, nighttime, and daytime of both cameras. Security light comes on and will flash when motion is detected and moved around in a number of feet. It is show solid, then flash as a warning. If you have a siren, it'll give a siren sound as well. This is the siren. 15 seconds of warning. We could talk. We'll hear echo if I use the communications. This is live feed. We could scrub all the way back, pinch in, and see what's available throughout the day. Just an example of the live feed that you scrub. These are just some of the things you can do with the security camera that can be placed anywhere imaginable. So if you're looking for a solar powered 2-pack Reblumm security camera, application driven, with the hub hooking up on the premise for 24/7 365 with playback scrubbing to the events and live, this is the camera that you may be looking for in the security system, with a 15-second alarm, a light with warning, and night vision and high definition. I hope you enjoy your product from the company Reblumm. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.